What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted. Links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're taking a good look at Polygon here, and we can see quite clearly, looking at this logarithmic chart, that Polygon has performed, exceptionally well. Basically ever since the start of the year. Where is it? It was trading at like 1.5, 2 cents, wasn't it? All the way up to $2.70, which is absolutely insane. And you can see recently, obviously, with the market having the crash that it did, the price action's come all the way down. Basically tapped into this Fibonacci retracement level. If we just look at this here, you can see we've pretty much perfectly tapped into this fib level for a retracement to the 618, which is a really key level of resistance and support. It's come down, touched that pretty much bang on, hasn't it? Despite there being no obvious other resistance or support. And then since then, we've obviously started to get a really nice bounce to the upside, haven't we? And it looks like we're really close now to Polygon having a big pump, in my opinion. You can see quite clearly here, obviously the big fake out to the downside of the falling wedge. We've actually come back up, retested resistance and then as support, broken out very nicely, broken out of the 20, tested the 50, consolidated in between both our EMAs, very bullish, broke upwards, obviously come down back, tested the 55 again and the 20 before the flip, which looks like it's going to happen pretty soon. If our EMAs flip like this in the next few days, things are going to be looking very bullish. And obviously it looks as though Polygon today trying to decide if it wants to break out, basically, isn't it? Because you can see quite clearly, it's consolidating over its previous resistance now and back testing it. So sooner or later, it's going to start to run away, isn't it? Because you can see what's happening. We're getting this kind of, essentially this V-shaped recovery, aren't we? I think our price target's reasonably looking at about 140 at least. If we take a look at the hourly chart here, we can see what's going on. You can see Polygon here is actually consolidating very nicely in this region here, slowly grinding its way to the upside. You can see quite clearly, we're basically on a trajectory, aren't we? A path, a journey to a certain price target, at least coming back up to where we formed this wedge, which will probably be reasonably around $2.40. And that we've got that fake out to the downside, grabbed all the liquidity in this area. Everyone probably got stopped out if they were trading in this area. And then you can see obviously a really big pump up to the upside. Once we saw that, with a really nice pump off of that 618, which was really interesting to see. And we've broken out of all these resistances on our daily time frame, haven't we? And looking at this hourly, it does look as though we are consolidating somewhat like this in this region here before potentially, coming back up to some of these levels that we were at previously. Obviously, with our first resistance being at around that 120 level, which it does look as though we did actually tap into pretty much perfectly on the money here before the pullback. And we would say, the next levels to be watching for, that 140-ish level somewhere here, and then obviously that 170 level is a key level as well. So, we're showing a lot of signs of life for Polygon, aren't we? And it does look as though, in our opinion, when you look at that daily time frame, especially, and you can see quite clearly that we are actually, we're showing a lot of signs of continuation, really, for the bull run, aren't we? You can see, come down, touch that 618, come up, broken out of resistance, flipped into support, broken out of resistance, flipped into support, consolidated in between resistances, very bullish, broken out now, back testing both of our previous resistances as support. So we're breaking out of all kinds of resistance here, aren't we? On our daily time frame, and it does seem very likely that continuation is for the bull run is probably going to be happening pretty damn soon, isn't it? Because you can see, You could even argue, and a lot of people have been arguing this on Twitter, that we are forming, you know, somewhat of a bull flag, something like this for Polygon. And you know, if this was the case, we would be looking at quite a monstrous target for Polygon if we just take the flagpole like this and basically move it upwards like this. I mean, if we could say, you could consider that we've basically broken out of the flag, something like this already, we'd essentially be looking at you know, at least a $4, $5 price target for Polygon, if that was the case. So I mean, things looking very, very bullish, aren't they, for continuation? If we just take a look at this in a bit more detail, you can see, you know, if this is some kind of bull flag that like a lot of people are saying, and we're not saying that this is the case, but if this was, just for argument's sake, you could say we would be looking well past that all-time high to $4 or $5 really as our technical target, if that was the case. We don't really think that this is shaping up like a bull flag though. We do think it was just a rollover essentially after, you know, a massive pump. And you can see quite clearly here that, you know, the continuation, it does look as though it's about to come, doesn't it? Because you can see we're breaking out of all these resistances. We've got technical targets that are lining up with further continuation to the upside. We're breaking out of all kinds of we're breaking out of these bullish continuation patterns as well, this falling wedge. And you know, a quick look at the weekly time frame shows that we're holding the 20 as support, which is a massive, massive signal for, you know, continuation of the bull run, isn't it? Because you can see here, we've come down. We haven't even touched the 55 yet, so forget talking about a bear market, by the way. That's absolute nonsense. And you can see we've come up, we've reclaimed the 20 moving average for 3 weeks in a row now, and we're just consolidating, waiting for that big move to the upside, aren't we? And you can see, you know, judging by what happened last time, you know, Polygon, let's take a look at the daily time frame here. The last time that we did flip bullish on our EMAs on the daily time frame was here, and you can see what happened next. We basically had a what is this? Let me just remove these. So this was the last time we flipped bullish, and we did around 15,000% gains. So just for argument's sake, if we flip bullish in the next few days at around the price that we're at now, and we've got 15,000% gains, then, you know, obviously it's going to be an absolutely outrageous run, isn't it? We're not saying that this is going to happen, because we'd be looking at like $100 for Polygon, which is absolutely ridiculous. But you get the idea. Polygon's been on an absolute tear recently, and it did need to see that pullback, didn't it? And we have seen it now, and we've found support, and now it looks as though we're getting ready for potentially another little leg up to finalize this bull run, where we do think we're probably going to be hitting that $10 region, which would be a very, very nice price target, wouldn't it? Let's just throw that Fibonacci retracement on, just for argument's sake, just to see what we'd be looking at here. So basically, from the bottom of the from the top of the previous all-time high to the bottom of this move here, this 618 retracement for that previous leg up, you can see obviously heading into that $10 region, we'd be going up to, you know, that 161 and up to that 227 region there, which is very, very achievable in our opinion, considering, you know, we're looking for that next leg up of the bull run. You can see how well these levels have been respected here, by the way. It's really interesting to see how much they are respected. And you can see, you know, if we do get back up to these levels here, we could be looking at some very nice upside for Polygon, and potentially, you know, the finalization of the bull run heading up to that $5 to $10 kind of level that we were looking for. That $5 level does coincide nicely with that 141. So we do think that Polygon, it's definitely got potential to be heading up into this kind of region here. Very, very nice level with a lot of confidence for that idea. And if we just take a quick look at the hourly time frame here again, just for a short-term price prediction, as we said, it looks as though we are consolidating under resistance here. And if we do break out and we do start to see ourselves breaking this level here at around that 25-cent level, then do anticipate at least, you know, that 142 level or maybe 170 in the next few weeks. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.